We got fish on in the inflatable. We got a bass on. Fish on in the inflatable kayak. Fish is pulling me all over. He's gonna come up right here and splash. He's got me wrapped around a log now. Ah. Fish is still on there, but he's got me wrapped around the log. Holy crap, guys. Giant bass. Holy crap. I pulled this whole stick up with it. Holy crap. He's a giant. This might be my biggest bass ever, and I just caught it in the inflatable kayak, guys. Subscribe to Tandy Outdoors, leave a like, and drop a comment. Another fish on in the inflatable kayak, guys. Oh, he's going under me. Oh, he's pulling me everywhere. Oh, he's diving. Oh, it's a pike. It's a northern pike. Oh, he splashed me. Oh, I'm getting soaked. Oh, the hook looked good. Maybe you won't cut it. I gotta get my pliers. Just landed a nice pike. All right, guys, we're gonna release the pike. Here he goes, right under the inflatable kayak. Fish on, guys. Oh. All right, we're gonna send him back. There he goes, getting me all wet. Beautiful night in the inflatable kayak.